So with National Life Group though, they like to keep theirs higher. And I think one of the reasons is Hey there, John Stevenson here, the Guaranteed Retirement Guy. Today I'm going to be talking to you about National Life Group and their indexed returns. Okay, I have a lot of personal experience with them, and I wanted to share with you an experience I had with them a couple years ago when I went to Vermont. National Life Group, they actually own Life of the Southwest as well. You'll see a lot of products sold by them, but they've been around for about 175 years. So a solid A+ rated company. And their headquarters is based out of Vermont. And I had the chance to visit them a couple of years ago. And one of the things that I've noticed with them, with their annuities and with their indexes, is they offer rather high caps and high participation rates in their indexes, which means their policyholders make more money when those indexes have a positive return. Now, that's a big deal when you sell annuities, because I have a lot of companies that will promise high caps and high participation rates, but then after the year goes by and the next accrediting period begins, they'll lower the rates quite a bit, which of course makes my clients unhappy. So with National Life Group though, they like to keep theirs higher. And I think one of the reasons is one of their main target markets is the teacher market. They have a lot of advisors who work with teachers, and they set up these pension accounts with these annuities. And these teachers, they count on these accounts. They count on the returns. And so of course they're hypothetical and they're not guaranteed, but when we're looking at high participation rates and high cap rates for the S&P index, it makes a big difference, especially when you're looking for high growth, but at the same time, you want protection against market loss, okay? So what I've noticed over the years is they've had very good returns. In fact, I've seen some years do double-digit returns. And I don't like to illustrate those, but it does happen, okay? But again, it's not something I like to illustrate because I don't want people to count on it. I try to be a little bit more conservative in like the 6 or 7% on average. But I have seen them deliver a lot more than that. But when I was over there at their office, I asked one of their senior executives, I said, well, how are you able to keep them so high while everyone else brings theirs lower? And he said, well, it's very simple. We have around 40 billion in our general account, okay? And we generate all of our profits from that general account. And so basically what we allow our clients and our customers to do is get the full interest credit from the indexes, because of course we get all of our profits from our general fund. And I thought, well, it's really unique. It's really interesting. They're a unique company. And if you're looking for growth, and they're not offering any rate locks or index locks, like Delaware Life, Mass Mutual, and Allianz. I mean, they offer those, and those are good as well. But if you're looking for a company that is there for the customer, okay, they're really focused on keeping their participation rates, their cap rates higher for you. If you're looking for a growth product, okay, they have very decent growth products with the S&P 500 index. They have some U.S. fundamental indexes. They have some global indexes as well that perform quite nice. But if you're looking for a simple S&P 500 where you want to get as much as possible, but also 100% protection from the downside, then book a call with me. Okay, we'll talk about that. They actually, right now, as of the recording of this video, they actually have some pretty decent income annuities as well. They're not always the most aggressive or the most competitive in the income side, but I'll tell you for the growth side, it's pretty substantial. So if you want to book a call and you want to talk about growth annuities, if you want to talk about income annuities, and you want to see the highest payouts for both of those, then I'd invite you to go to the link. It's below this video. It goes directly to my calendar. And bring your questions. We'll talk about what you're looking for, and I'll show you everything that's available, okay? Not going to hold anything back. I hope you enjoy this video. I'm out next to the creek. Hopefully it's not too loud for you. But I just absolutely love it out here. It's beautiful. I get out here every chance I get. We're going to get a ton of snow next week. So next week, this whole area is going to be covered in about 3 feet of snow. So I figured, I better get out here right now. So here I am. But I appreciate you watching. Make sure you like, subscribe if you haven't already. Share the video if you think it's going to help someone. And if you got questions, please comment below and I'll answer. And of course, if you want to look at purchasing an annuity and you want to work with someone who's in your corner, someone who's going to take care of you the right way, okay? then book a call with me. Love to chat with you. So again, thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time. Hey, I really appreciate you watching the video today. If any of it makes sense to you, or if you found value, or if you even got a question about anything, I hope that you'll go to the comments section and ask it. There's no stupid question, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you.